Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Google Fi wireless app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. It may be lagging, freezing, long load problem. How to fix this issue? So let's start. First of all, open settings. Now click more settings, app manager. If you cannot find this option, so open settings and search apps. So now we find Google Fi, open it, click permissions, allow all the permissions. Now after that you open again Google Fi app and check it is working properly or not. If still it is not working, then click storage, click clear cache and clear data. After that just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, you can check it is working properly or not. If still it is not working, then the last solution is you uninstall Google Fi app and go to the Play Store and install the latest version of Google Fi app. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.